Good students, today we are going to discuss about ecosystem. First, we discuss about the environmental acts and regulation. This and regulation to prevent the and control the pollutions. First, MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forest, UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, SCEP, Southern Asia Cooperative Environment Program, UNCED, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, the Commission on Sustainable Development, GEF, Global Environment Facility, Act and Regulation for Environmental Protection, Wildlife Protection Act, 19, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974, the Forest Conservation Act, 1980, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981, the Environment Protection Act, 1986, the Motor Vehicle Act, 1988. Next, we discuss about the ecosystem. What is ecosystem? A biotic community lives in a biotic environment called biotope. Here, biotic community means living community, and the abiotic environment means non-living environment. Biotope provides material as well as energy to biocommunity inhabited it. This shows there is an interaction between biotic community and its environment. A biotic community and biotope together, ecological system or ecosystem. The term ecosystem is given by A.G. Tansley 1935. Structure of ecosystem. There are two main components of ecosystem. First is biotic community and second one is abiotic community. Biotic community is divided into two parts. First is autotrophic components and second one is heterotrophic components. Abiotic community is also divided into three parts. First, organic components, second, inorganic components, and third one is climatic factors. Organic components has some examples like carbohydrates, proteins. Inorganic components example like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Climatic factor examples sunlight, temperature. Here some examples for autotrophic component is self-feeder. Autotrophic components mean self-feeder. Example producers. Heterotrophic components mean depend on other component. Example consumer. Consumer is divided into two parts, macro consumers, micro consumers. First, macro consumer. Macro consumer which it produces directly or indirectly. It divided into four parts. First, primary consumers. Directly depend on green plants called herbivores. Secondary consumers. It indirectly depend on green plants, so it is called carnivores or omnivores, which depend on herbivores. Third, tertiary consumers. They are organisms that depend on secondary consumer for food. It can also be a omnivore. Food. Quaternary consumers. They are present in some food chain. These organisms prey on tertiary consumers for energy. Next one is decomposers. It includes saprophytes such as fungi and bacteria. They directly thrive on the dead and decaying organic matter. Next topic is function of ecosystem. It regulates the essential ecological processes, support life system and renders the stability. Next, it also responsible for the cycling of nutrients between abiotic and biotic components. Third, it maintains a balance among the various tropical level in the ecosystem. Next, it cycles the mineral through the biosphere. Next, the abiotic component help in the synthesis of organic component that involve the exchange of energy. Ecological concept. First, food chain. What is food chain? Food chain. The flow of energy from a producer to a consumer and eventually an apex predator or detrivores is called the food chain. There are some examples of food chain. The grasshopper eat the plants, The mice eat the grasshopper. The snake eat the mice. The eagles eat the snake. When the hawks die, fungi breaks the bodies down and turn into nutrients. Nutrients along with sun and water cause the grass to grow. This is called a food chain. Next, food web. Food web can be defined as a network of food chain which are interconnected at various topic level so as to form a number of feeding connection among different organisms of a biotic community. Next, ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramids are graphically representation of the topic structure ecosystem. Topic level are the feeding position in a food chain such as primary producers, herbivores, primary carnivores, etc. Here is a graphical representation of the ecological pyramid. Next topic is energy flow in ecosystem. Sun is the source of energy for all ecosystem on earth. Energy flow refers to the flow of energy from sun to plants to various organisms of ecosystem. Here, plants capture the solar energy from sun. Only 50% of solar energy can utilized by the plants during photosynthesis process. Here 2 to 10% photosynthetically active radiation. The amount of energy is gradually reduced. The sun provides the solar radiation to the trees in amount of 2 to 10%. Ecosystem agree with the law of thermodynamics. First law says energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred from one form to the another. That we are not creating an energy, it transforms from sun. Second law of thermodynamics. The state of entropy of universe will increase with the time. The entropy means disorderness. Some part of the energy is always lost as heat. That energy is utilized for any useful work for any of the organisms. Here is some example for the second law. There are two types of energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Kinetic and two types of energy. First is kinetic energy and second one is potential energy. The stored energy in the plants, in the producers or herbivores is known as the potential energy, and the transfer energy is called as the kinetic energy. Only 10% energy is transferred to next topic level. 90% energy is lost. Thank you.